Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox and review another flashlight from Imalent. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video and get it out from this box, and then we'll continue unboxing it. Okay, so this was the small box, and this is what we get in the package. I have the green version, and this is how the box looks. I just cut it a little bit with a knife, trying to get it out from that box, but it's okay. We got here a few specifications. You can pause the video if you want to read more detailed. 4,000 lumens, 50 hours runtime, 203 meters, IPX8. Okay, and let's see what we have inside of this. Okay, so we got here a magnet, as you can see. Let's see what we got inside the package. We got this small paper with their logo on it. We got the user's manual. Again, if you want to read something more detailed, you can pause the video. Wait a minute, let me. Okay. As you can see here, let's see for the English: turbo, high, middle, low, and low. Yes. Okay, so this is the user's manual. Here, yeah, it's okay. We got here the light, pretty beautiful color with the OLED. Yeah, right there. Let's peel that off. Okay. Whoa, pretty cool refractor, really beautiful, I can say. This is used for cooling system. Let's see what we got in the box. Oh yeah, that's all you get inside the box. We got another small package where we have the following things. We got a lanyard, kind of small, I can tell, but it's okay. Simple lanyard, as everyone knows, Imalent. And the charging cable. Oh, you can actually press these small magnets. So yeah, it's a magnetic charge. I can definitely feel some pressure. It stays pretty good. Let's see. Oh yeah, this magnet is actually strong. Yeah, so pretty good charging port. Even with the cable, well made, I can say. USB-A to magnetic charge, but everything's okay. So there's everything you get in the box, like all the things. Let's take a close look at the flashlight. Look looks pretty good, looks well made, you can feel that. There's this small OLED. Let's see how it works. Oh, it's locked. Now, if it's locked, you can unlock it by, let me read right there, right here. Operation instructions. Where we have it. 4 times. Oh, okay. So you press 4 times to unlock it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there you have it unlocked. Let's see for the cycle mode. So if you wanna, when the flashlight is on, press and hold the power. Okay, so 1 time for the low mode, 20 lumen. Not getting hot, it's okay. Now you gotta press and hold for the middle low, 200 lumens. Press and hold, oh, for the middle, 900 lumens. Again, same thing for 2000 lumen. Holy shit, it gets pretty hot. And the turbo. Now, the turbo is not accessible in this way. If you wanna directly access turbo, you gotta press 2 times. Oh my god, you can't hold even a minute. Oh my god, it's really strong. I can feel the heat even from there, from this distance. Oh my god. So you're not gonna believe this, but if I hold it like there, over 1 second it burns, and this is getting really toasty, I can say. It's hot, believe me, it's too hot. Oh my god. So it gets extremely hot. Now let me compare. Let's just continue for the beginning. We got low power warning. Yeah, it will show you if you press 3 times. You can show the voltage here. When it's 3.1, the battery is low. OLED display, memory function, lock and unlock function, charging 1100 milliamperes. Now it's not bad, but if this would, I would like if this flashlight would contain at least 1300 milliamperes, because you know, for 4000 lumens it's not the biggest battery. So yeah, warranty, service and blah blah blah. Let me compare this one with another flashlight that I reviewed. Take a review on them. This is the Revlon Angel Eyes E200U. See, it's as big as Revlon and the same. And let's compare with the A23 Pro. As you can see, it's a bit bigger, but a small difference. The differences are actually a bit big. This one is $60 and this one is $80. You may ask why. So it got an USB port, which I think is a little bit more expensive than this magnetic one. You got here a display. Yeah, there's the Vantage. It got only, I don't know, 1000 lumen, but I really need to charge it, as you can see here. And a 600 milliamperes battery, but the difference is the material. It's aerospace aluminum, which is pretty expensive. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is everything you get in the box, and for $60, believe me, it's a pretty good flashlight. An ADC one, because definitely not a keychain one. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching, and I really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and like it, so I would make more videos. Now another video is coming, and it will be about the Gravastar Venus one. You can check that on the internet, and I'll be posting it in about 2 weeks. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.